Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Wealth Unlimited. So I'm back again with the stock market update series, and today we will be discussing about the global market news. We will be seeing where Dow Jones is trading right now and how it can affect our Indian market for tomorrow. I will be sharing the buying and the selling levels of Nifty, where one should consider to enter in the market or exit from the market, and we will be discussing about the Q1 result for some of the prominent companies. I will also be telling whether I will be investing in those particular stocks. So before starting the video, if you haven't liked the video or subscribed to my channel, please make sure to do so for such quality content. So talking about the global market news, as you can see that US stocks open higher ahead of the service activity data. So one of the main reason why the global markets are looking strong right now, as they are trading at a higher side of their opening, is because the companies are expected and companies are doing better than what they were expected to do in their quarterly results. After the Ukraine war and the looming recession, which is currently out there in the market, still companies like PayPal are doing and presenting exceptional result, due to which the market is gaining strength and going in an uptrend. So talking about the Nasdaq composite, this is the US Nasdaq data. In this particular composite, you can say that we can get the average of Dow Jones, we can get the top 500 companies, S&P companies of US market, and this is the indices composed of those particular stocks. You can see that it is currently trading 1.57% up, which is a good sign, and it has recovered really well from its lows of 10,700 and currently trading at a price of 12,539 US dollars. Similarly, if you will see this in the Dow Jones index is also trading at a positive side, and this is the chart which I discussed in my previous video as well. And as you can see that I tried to draw a trend line here where the Dow Jones was taking a support. You can see that this is the one support, and this is again the second support here, and it retraced back from the current level. I have discussed like why it is going up, but it is a good sign and it gives strength to our Indian market to open up in a better position tomorrow as well. If you will see the futures of our Nifty 50, you will see that it is currently opening flat. I must say that it is opening at 17,453, which is again a good level to open, and it will be opening near its resistance. So earlier Nifty faced resistance here, but if Nifty is able to cross the barrier of 17,500 in tomorrow's trading session, then there are high chances that Nifty can give a breakout from this particular level and can further go up and continue its rally to the level of 17,800. So I would like to suggest you that if you want to invest right now, you should consider waiting at present. If the market sustains the level of 17,500, then only you should enter in the market and start thinking about investing again. The market is currently sideways. As you can see that the Nifty is forming a sideways candle, not an uptrend candle. But again, this shows strength in the market as well. But there is a top resistance due to which market can fall further to the level of 17,200 to 17,000 in coming trading sessions. So I'm not saying that market will fall to the level of 17,000, but there are good chances. But if global market gives us a good support, then again chances are high that our market can go up from here as well. So one of the main reasons like why market is not falling from this after having such a good run up is because of the FIIs and DIIs data. So we have been hearing this that there has been outflow of crores of rupees from the FIIs, which are foreign institutes, and DIIs are domestic institutes. So basically FIIs are the foreign investors which comes to India and invest in our Indian stock market. Similarly, domestic institutes are like domestic institutions like HDFC Securities and all the big asset management company which are buying and selling in the share market. So you can see that even today the FII's data is in positive, and so well as and DII's data is in negative here. But one of the major reasons why market uptrended from the levels of 15,000 is the positive data of FIIs in last month, and similarly they are continuing to happen in this particular month, which makes it a strong position for our market to go up from this particular range. This is all about the Nifty and the global market and what is happening in the indices. Now we will talk about the latest results which companies have shown, and one of the latest results which I was awaiting was for Adani Power. Yes, you can see that Adani Power presented their result today, and it is up by 3.36% and currently trading at a price of 340 rupees. It is near its all-time high level, but I must say that Adani Power has presented exceptionally good result for their June quarter, and you can see that there has been rise in the sales for Adani from since 2019. Sorry for the marker, just a minute, I'll do it again. So you can see that the sales are at 5916 in year 2019, and right now Adani Power is showing or doing the sales of 13,723 crore, which is a massive jump. In operating profit, you can see that they were doing it the 13,049 crore, but right now they are doing it for 5,720 crore rupees. Again, in terms of profits, Adani Power was not doing well in past few years, but if you will see that from the last 2 quarters, Adani Power has massively increased their potential of earning, and being a negative company from last 2 years, they turned out to be a positive with huge numbers, which helped them in increasing their earning per share potential as well. And right now the market the stock is trading at a price of 340 rupees, but it has the potential to go to the level of 500 in coming quarters, or to the level of 600 rupees. I have initially bought the stocks of Adani Power from the range of 110 rupees, and it has given a good rally per se, and I have exited my stocks from the Adani Power once it touched the level of 300. But after seeing the result for this quarter, I must say that I will be entering in this particular share again. Yes, I repeat that I will be doing investment in this particular share again. If you find this particular share at a level of 300 rupees, I believe you should consider it buying, because I will be buying the stock too. In peer comparison, you will see that Adani Power PE is of 13.91 only, where the other power companies is providing a PE of 324, 702. For Tata Power it is 34, JSW Energy is 21.84. I'm not talking about the Power Grid and NTPC, is because they are PSU stocks and they don't usually shows much movement. So that's why I believe that Adani Power has a good potential from here to go ahead. Further, I'll be talking about the Kothari Sugars. So it's a sugar sector stock, and I am very keenly following sugar sector stock from last 1 year due to the high price of petrol. The government has taken out a scheme that sugar companies can do ethanol blending in providing a relief for the petrol prices. Again, it is a good thing, and the company which is mentioned here, Kothari Sugars, has done good on year basis and fairly well or flat on the quarterly basis. The the EPS for the company, you can see that it has risen both on quarter-on-quarter and year-on-year basis, and this company can do well in coming futures due to the ethanol blending. So you can see that Kothari Sugar right now is trading at a price of 37.8 rupees. And if you are planning to buy a stock which is under 100 rupees, Kothari Sugar and Chemicals, and one more share is there which is my personal favorite, and I have invested in that particular stock from the level of 35, is Renuka Sugar. Yes, it is again a sugar sector stock, and they are also into agri-business, but this is the company which can get benefit from the schemes of ethanol blending and the further which government initiatives are doing. They are doing better for the sugar sector stocks. It is also currently trading at a price of 48.8 rupees, and you can go for one of the stock if you are interested in theory of ethanol blending being a big thing in coming future. Next, I will be discussing the result of Vodafone Idea. Yes, I have also invested in Vodafone Idea at a price level of 8.70 rupees, and I believe that this is one sector where government is trying really hard to not to delist Vodafone Idea, or not to make sure that Vodafone Idea get bankrupt. If you will see here that there has been a slight increase in sales in terms of year-on-year and quarter-on-quarter basis, and the EPS for the company is in negative because it's a loss-making company again. The current market price for the Vodafone Idea is 9 rupees. I'll show you that. So if you will see that Vodafone Idea is currently trading at a price of 9 rupees, and do I see more fall due to a flat result? I'll say no, because the stock has already been gone up to the level of 16 and then fall back to 8 or 9. So this stock I have picked because I believe that there are chances that it might not break a level of 8 and can go up from here in coming years. So this is the one of the reasoning, and I haven't put a lot of money in Idea. It's just a bottom fishing or a swing trade bet for me right now, and that's why I have invested money in Vodafone Idea. I'm not planning to hold this stock for a long-term purpose. I hope I was able to give you some knowledge, like how you can see that what are the future prospect of the companies and how you should go about a company seeing their earning potentials. Further, you can see that again there has been a lot of news going around, like Adani Power, and their profit has jumped 16x, and their revenue has risen by 109%. So I want you to focus on this particular stock today a lot, because I see potential and a good market opportunity in this particular stock. Further, for the market recap, you can see that Nifty today was trading flat almost. It opened at 17,300 around, and it was closing around 17,388, went up like 0.25%. Same for the BSE, there has been like 25 companies which went up, 23 companies which were almost 0 to 2%. So today the top gainer was IDBI Bank, SpiceJet. And one more thing I want to tell you, like if you want to look for the companies like where you think like people are buying, is you have to look for the rising delivery percentage chart in this particular website. So this is a trend line. This is a trendline.com. They tells you about the market. They gives you about the market update, which stock gained, which stock made loss. Make sure to check this particular section called rising delivery, because I believe that this is one of the key thing in the market from where you can get the idea of demand and supply of a stock. If the rising delivery shows 90% for at least 3 to 5 days, then understand that there are many people who are buying this particular stock, and they think that this stock or the particular stock can go up from this particular level. So this is something like which I also keep in track every day. you should do so. And if you see any big name coming here, or like promising company name coming here, or if you plan that you like this company, then you can think about investing in the stock. Oh, the video became much bigger than my expectations. Sorry for taking so much time. But again, if you want to have good insight about the market, you should definitely look around to the news, what is happening in the world market, and how stock market is trading as well. Soon I will be making videos because I have been getting a lot of requests to make videos where the stocks are trading at a price range of less than 100. I'll be making and I'll be getting some stocks for people who are starting investing, because those kind of stocks they can see that how their money can grow and what potential the stock market have. I hope you like this video, and if you did, please make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.